Students, now we will start Chapter 2 Reproduction in Plants and Animals. Review your learning. Number D. Answer in short. 1. What is multiple fission? Name two organisms that undergo this process. The fission in which cell divides into more than two daughter cells are called multiple fission. Two organisms that undergo this process are chlorella and chlamydomonas. You will underline them separately. Number 2 question. What are spore sacs? These are oval or rounded structure bodies containing spores. Number 3. How does vegetative propagation takes place from aerial stems? In case of aerial stems, a long horizontal stem grows over the soil surface parallel to the ground, and wherever the stem bends and touches the soil, it develops roots and buds at the point of contact with the soil. For example, strawberry. Question 4. Name female reproductive organs of human beings. The female reproductive organs of human beings consist of the following organs: ovaries, oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina. Number 5. Name two methods of asexual reproduction in animals along with the examples. Two methods of asexual reproduction in animals along with the examples are as follows: binary fission, example amoeba; budding, example yeast. E. Answer in details. What is asexual reproduction? Explain any two methods of asexual reproduction in plants. The fusion in which there is no fusion of the process in which there is no fusion of male and female reproductive cells is called asexual reproduction. Any two methods of asexual reproduction are as follows: fragmentation. This is the method in which an organism breaks up into two or more parts called fragments, which grow into new individuals. Example, Spirogyra. Number B. Spore formation. This is the method in which organisms develop rounded or oval structures on their bodies called spore sacs that bear spores. On getting favorable conditions, spores germinate into new individuals. Example, bread molds. Number 3. Explain the basic structure of a flower with the help of a diagram. Flowers are the reproductive organs of seed-bearing plants called angiosperms. A flower usually has four parts, namely calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx. It is the outermost hole of the flower, which consists of green leaf-like structures called sepals. Corolla. It is the second hole and consists of brightly colored petals. Androecium. It is the third hole that consists of stamens. Each stamen has two parts, filament and anther. Anther produces pollen grains. Gynoecium. It is the innermost hole of the plant. It is the female reproductive part of the flower, consists of one or more pistils. Each pistil consists of stigma, style and ovary. The ovary contains one or more ovules. Question 4. What are the agents of pollination? Give the characteristics of flower pollinated by insect and water. The pollination that is brought by wind, water, insect and animals are called agents of pollination. The characteristics of flowers pollinated by insects are: they are large and brightly colored, they have sweet nectar and are scented, their pollens are usually rough and sticky and stick to the body of the insects. The characteristics of flower pollinated by water are: they are very light and can float easily, they do not produce nectar, they produce pollen grains in large quantities. Male and female flowers are usually found on separate plants. And number 5, explain the structure of male and female gametes of human beings. This answer of this question has already been given earlier. So, I am not giving you that answer now. Thank you.